Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, let me introduce our team. First is myself, Arcelio Iragendro, and my friends.
Janisia Mifa Mastrita and
Atlas Pratama.
We will presenting our poster with the title is The Role of Student in Realizing Food Security Through the Implementation of Vertical Farming in Schools. Let me explain our introduction. Food security is becoming an increasingly urgent issue, especially amid a growing population and limited agricultural land. Increased urbanization has led into conversion of agricultural land into residential and commercial area, which has made bad dependence on food supply from outside the region. In 2020, Indonesian rice harvest area was recorded at 10.66 million hectares, while the population reached 272 million, which increased pressure on agricultural sector. Vertical farming has emerged as a solution to utilize limited land using modern technology such as hydroponic and aeroponic. This system allows for increased yields in small spaces, optimize environmental control, and support sustainable food security. However, young employment in the agricultural sector remains low, with only 11.6% of farmers in Indonesia coming from millennial generation. Involving students in vertical farming at school can raise their awareness of food security and provide them with practical skill in modern agricultural technology.
Our research method. This study uses a qualitative approach to understand social phenomena through the collection and analysis of non-numerical data. Data was collected through a systematic literal review, which included an analysis of relevant works related to vertical farming and the role of the younger generation in food security. The analysis process was carried out in three stages. First, verification to check the validity and suitability of the data. Second, reduction to filter and focus the data on the main themes. And the final stage is conclusion drawing to compile the analysis result in a structured manner.
the last is some research and discussion. First, I will explain the concept of vertical farming. Vertical farming is an innovative method that utilizes limited space by planting crops vertically. This system uses racks or trap layers, allowing for greater yields in limited land. The technologies used include hydroponics, aeroponics, and aquaponics, which are more efficient in their use of water nutrients. Second, advantage of vertical farming. Vertical farming reduces water usage, increases space efficiency, and supports environmental and economic sustainability. This technology enables greater food production with lower transportation costs, reducing dependence on external supplies. Third, implementation in schools. Schools that implement vertical farming help raise student awareness about food security and dependence on external food supplies. In addition, schools can provide the organic sustainable for student consumption and cafeterias, as well as reduce the carbon footprint from external food transportation. Fourth, impact on student understanding. Students involved in vertical farming increase their understanding of the importance of healthy and sustainable food consumption. They learn how to overcome food crisis by addressing agricultural technology that can be applied in limited space. Fifth, the role of technology. Technologies such as IoT, humidity sensor, and solar panels increases efficiency in water and energy use. Schools that implement these technologies can reduce water use by up to 70% and optimize plant conditions for better yields. And last but not least, sustainable education model. Vertical farming in school is not only vertical learning, but also supports the development of a sustainable education model. This program teaches students to solve food security problems and supply sustainability principles in their daily lives, as well as inspiring other cities to implement sustainable agriculture.
Okay, that's all from us for our presentation today. See you all in South Korea.
Mugi-mugi kita saged pertemuan wonten ing Korea Selatan.
좋아요.
Matur nuwun.
Thank you.
감사합니다.
안녕히 가세요.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.